Welcome back to Learn as You Explore, your go-to place for mBot2 tutorials. If you are new here, I'm a robotics software engineer who loves helping students learn robotics and supporting teachers who teach it. If you're a passionate teacher and want to make teaching robotics with mBot2 easier, check out the educator packs I've put together, linked in the description. It's on my Gumroad page, and you also have a free lesson pack to check out before you make a purchase. Open mBlock and make sure to give your project a name and save it. To start off, we'll use the when button be pressed to trigger the start of the program. The first thing we'll do is add a message on the CyberPi display. We want the message to say something like tilt me. Next, we'll get our repeat until loop, and we'll remain in this loop until we want to end the program. To end the program, we'll give a condition here of button A pressed from the sensing category. Drag that over. Now we want to detect tilts in 4 different directions: tilted left, tilted right, tilted forward, and tilted backward. Since these are conditions, let's bring in 4 if blocks from the control category. Drag that. Once we have one, we can duplicate it, and we'll repeat that process for the remaining if blocks. Now that we have the 4 if blocks, we want to start adding the conditions for each. The first condition is going to be tilted left. All the tilt detection can be done using the motion sensing category and this tilted forward block. Here we can change the direction of tilt detection using the drop-down, and we select tilted left. Next, we can duplicate this block, add it to the next one, and change it to tilted right. And we'll repeat the same for the remaining 2 blocks as well. Just make sure to change the tilt detection direction in each block. We want left, right, forward, and backward. If tilted left, we want the LED pattern to have blue in the leftmost LED, and all the other LEDs should be off. To do that, let's go into the LED category, and we have this display block where we can set the color of each individual LED so we can form a desired pattern. So use the display block here. We can now edit the pattern by clicking on this portion of the display block, which opens up this window. We want the first LED to be blue instead of the default red here. So let's select blue and click on 1. We've now changed the LED color for the first LED to blue. We want to have all the other LEDs off. To do that, we can use the erase tool here and select each of the remaining 4 LEDs. That's it. Now click OK. Great. Now the logic says that when the robot is tilted left, the leftmost LED will be blue and the remaining 4 LEDs would be off. Let's duplicate this block and insert it into the next if condition. If tilted right, we want only the rightmost LED to be blue and all others to be off. So we'll go ahead and edit the pattern. We have blue selected already, so let's select the 5th LED. We want the first LED to be turned off and not blue as is shown here. So we'll use the erase tool again, select the first LED, and we've now turned it off. Click OK. Now let's duplicate this block into the tilted forward condition. For the tilted forward condition, we want the middle 3 LEDs to be green and the leftmost and rightmost LEDs to be off. And we can do that by editing the pattern here. We'll first add the green color to the LEDs 2, 3, and 4, and we'll remove the 5th LED's color. Great, say OK to save this pattern. Once again, we'll duplicate this block, add it to the tilted backward condition. For the backward condition, we want these 3 LEDs to be on, but we want them to be red instead of green. We want the leftmost and the rightmost to be off, which is already done here. So all we need to do is change the 3 greens here to red. Click on the pattern to edit it, select the red color, and change 2, 3, and 4 to red. Say OK to save it. Great, now the core logic of our program is built. Some finishing touches that we'll add. When we end the program by pressing button A, we will clear the screen because we printed tilt me in the beginning of the program, and we'll clear that. We can do that using the display category and using the clear screen block. Finally, we also want to clear our LED patterns and turn all of the LEDs off. To do that, we'll go to the LED block category and use the Turn Off LED All block. That's it. We have our entire program done. Let's save it. We'll upload the program by connecting the robot first. Make sure the robot's connected using the USB cable. Select Connect. Change the mode to Upload mode and select Upload code. Great, the code is now uploaded. Let's go and test it out on the robot now. If you've made it this far in the video, please consider giving the video a thumbs up by clicking the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It really helps keep the channel going. If you're excited to grab the mBot2 or any accessories, check out the links in the description. I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. Thanks for supporting the channel. Here are some of my other videos that you may find helpful. Happy programming, and I'll see you in the next one.